Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to create products for IMVU. For this video I am specifically focusing on furniture. I also have a video on clothing and a few other different IMVU creator tutorials. There will be a playlist in the description below that you can check out and view all of those other different tutorials. First thing that needs to be said is the fact that in order to create on IMVU and put products in the shop, you must have VIP. The first thing we need to do is open up the shop in the classic IMVU web browser. And it'll take us here to the catalog. Since we're going to be focusing on furniture, we're going to go to the furniture tab. And I'm just going to pick the first category. And the first thing you want to do is check this Show Derivable Products Only. This is going to bring up all of the products that you are allowed to derive from. You can go through the catalog, choose the type of furniture that you want to derive. I already picked out two different products because I'm going to show you two different ways that you can create on IMVU. What I like to do when I go to a product is go down the derived from tree to get back to the original product that everyone else derived from. How you do that is you go to this derived from and it'll show you what it was derived from. So now we are actually looking at the original mesh or the original couch that was used. So since I want to derive from this product, I'm scrolling down and I will click on Derive from Product down here at the bottom. And this will automatically open the creator program in IMVU. As you can see, now we have the couch in here. Here's our materials list, and as you can tell, the numbers on the actual product correspond with the numbered textures in the materials list. So what we need now is textures. There are a few different ways that you can get textures. You can either make them yourself, you can get them from other creators, you can pay for them, or you can Google different textures. So say I wanted to make this a leather couch, I would Google leather texture, and it would bring up a bunch of different textures for leather that I could use. Just for the sake of time, I am going to Google a few different types of textures and use them for this couch. Alright, so since I have some textures saved, first thing I want to do, I want to change these MO1 pillows. So I'm going to go to the MO1 in the materials list and click on Edit. And then go to wherever you happen to save your textures and then select the texture that you want to use. Double click on it and it will put it in the materials list. Now to view this texture actually applied to the couch, you want to go up here to the top right and click on Apply Changes. And it will change the texture. So now I'll do it for the MO5. It's the same process. Click on Edit and then select whichever texture you want and Apply Changes. For the sake of demonstration, I'm just doing a bunch of different contrasting colors just so you guys can really see the different changes. Now you would do this process for the entirety of the couch. So this is the first way that you can create products. Once you were happy with the product that you made, you would go up here to the top right and click on Save and save it. And then you would upload it to the shop. Now the second way that you can create furniture is when a product actually gives you the texture maps used for the product itself. So for example, this ultra modern round sofa actually gives you the texture maps used to create the product. A lot of times when you go down the derived from list, it will eventually get you to the texture map option of the product. So all you would do is you would save these images and then edit them in whatever editor you use, whether it's PhotoBucket, Photoshop, GIMP, etc. I have already saved these images and edited them myself just for the sake of time. So since I already did that, I'm going to again scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Derive from Product. And this will automatically open up the product in the creator program. Alright, so as you can see now that it's open in the creator program, the images that we saved correspond with the images in the materials list. So once you edited the texture images to your liking, you would click on Edit and then replace the original image with the one that you edited. So we'll do it for the second one. And finally, the last image. And I'm going to click Apply Changes. And now the round couch is red. While this option is a little more time consuming, I find that it is the best option when creating products. Because of the fact that it is so customizable, you can make the textures any color you want. You can put a picture on there, you can put a logo, a name, you can do anything and everything that you want to the texture and put it on the furniture. These same two methods apply for most all products on IMVU and how you create them or change the textures. So once you are happy with how your product looked, you would go to save and again upload it to the shop. I hope this tutorial helped. If you still have any questions or you need help with something, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I will try and get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks so much for watching!